Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar, your science teacher. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today is the first lecture of your fifth chapter. The fifth chapter is coal and petroleum. In this chapter, we are going to study about what are the different natural resources. Means what is natural resources? Materials or the substance that we obtain from nature is called natural resources. It can be coal, petroleum, air, water, sunlight, wildlife, forest, all comes under natural resources. Natural resources are of two type, exhaustible and non-exhaustible. So all those things we have to see. In this chapter we have to see about what is fossil fuels, what is fossils, what is coal, how coal formation take place. Then we will see destructive distillation of the coal. Then we will see what is petroleum, how petroleum is formed. Filtration means purification of the petroleum, and what are the uses of the product that we obtain from the petroleum. All these things we are going to see in this chapter. We are also going to see what are the drawbacks of overutilization of fossil fuels, and we are also going to see recycling of the paper, why we have to recycle the paper. So all these things we have to see in this chapter. This is the first lecture, so I have introduced you what are the things which we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, so from the beginning, the first term that comes under is natural resources. What is natural resources? Natural the material that we get from nature is called natural resources. What are the substances that we get from the nature? We get air, we get sunlight, we get wildlife, forest, minerals, coal, petroleum, etc. So these are the substances that we get from the nature, and these are called natural resources. So on the basis whether this natural resource lasts forever or it is have limited supply. So on the basis whether it is exhaustible means once it will exhaust or not, ये खत्म होगा कि नहीं, and whether it is inexhaustible. So whether it is exhaust or not, so it is of two type. One is exhaustible. So types of natural resources. First is exhaustible natural resource. What is exhaustible natural resource? Means natural resource, the natural resource that can get exhausted due to utilization by human being is called exhaustible natural resource. Means that get exhaust. What? Example: coal, petroleum, forest, minerals, etc. So these are the natural resources that can be exhausted as a result of utilization of by human being is called exhaustible natural resources. Example is coal, petroleum, forest, minerals, natural gas. Natural gas. These are called exhaustible natural resource. Okay. So we have seen exhaustible natural resource. Next is inexhaustible natural resource. The natural resource that are not likely to get exhausted due to human activities and are present in unlimited quantity. So the natural resources that are not likely to get exhausted due to human activities and are present in unlimited quantity is called inexhaustible natural resource. Okay, example: air, sunlight, etc. So sunlight we use for solar energy, as solar energy which we use in different function, different utilization is there. Wind energy we use in different ways, like in windmills and all those. So it is present in unlimited source, it cannot be exhausted. So today we have seen what is natural resource, and which we have seen what is exhaustible and non-exhaustible natural resource. Next is fossil fuel. So before, what is fossil? Remains of dead animal and plants that got buried under the soil millions of years ago is called fossil. In class 5 also you have listened this word, what is fossil? Remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the soil millions of years ago, that is called fossils. So these fossils are utilized. Some of these fossils get converted into fuel and that we utilize. This is called fossil fuel. So what is fossil fuel? Material of biological origin. Why biological origin? Because animal and plants, they are living organism, so they convert into the fossil fuel. That's why the materials of biological origin present within the earth crust and can be used as fuel is called fossil fuel. It is of three types. It can be of three state: solid fossil fuel, liquid fossil fuel, or gaseous fossil fuel. It is coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So we have seen what is natural resource, we have seen what is exhaustible and non-exhaustible natural resource, we have also seen what is fossil, we have also seen what is fossil fuel and types of fossil fuel. That's all for the day. Okay, I'll be there in the morning. If anyone have any problem, please ask.